we like to acknowledge the traditional owners of the land on which we meet today. We pay our respects to their elders past, present and emerging.
Hey everyone, it's Mr. Cuss. Welcome to our Week 9 online assembly for Fleetwood Primary School. We're nearly towards the end of the term, so hang in there. I just want to say well done to everyone who entered our Are You OK Day poster competition, and you'll be hearing more about the winners later in today's assembly. And we've got lots more in store for you. So sit back, relax and enjoy.
Hi everybody, it's Miss Monaghan here, and I'm updating everybody for the Week 9 award winners. So for FM, the award goes to Aman, and it's for his excellent reading during our online reading groups. For F1M, the award goes to Melina C for being prompt to join our Google Meets and for being committed to her online learning. For 1R, the award goes to Hania, and it's for her fabulous reading during our online reading groups. For 1-2AM, goes to Zaki, and it's for always showing up to our Google Meets and for being a superstar in the chat bar. 2M, the award goes to Aiden E, and it's for working hard every day to complete his online learning tasks even when he faces some challenges. 3R goes to Caleb L for confident and engaging sharing during our Google Meets. 3-4P goes to Rainey for her commitment to online learning and using fantastic ICT skills to create her own slides. 4D, the award goes to Lachlan, and for being committed to completing his online learning and for his creative questioning when we had our online AFL guest this week. I wonder what family that guest may have come from. And for 4R, the award goes to Savannah, and for being committed to her online learning and participating in our educational games. Well done. 5C, the award goes to Sam Bay for always contributing to our classroom discussions and submitting high quality work. 5D, the award goes to Kobiha. Kobiha has done exceptionally well during remote learning with a continued positive attitude and awesome work being handed in. 6G, the award goes to Charlotte B for her creative thinking when discussing why humans should live on Mars. And for the last class, 6R, the award goes to Jada F for always showing persistence by having a go at everything. And finally, we have an extra award for 100 nights of reading, really important, and that award goes to Eva G and F1M. So congratulations to all of our award winners, you've done really well.
Hi guys, Mrs. DK here, and guess what? I forgot what next week's Behaviour of the Week is again. So I better pop online and see if someone knows. Hi, how you going?
Good, thank
Good.
you.
Oh, I'm so glad you're here because I've forgotten what next week's Behaviour of the Week is. Do you remember?
Yes, we are responsible and arrive online on time.
Oh, thank goodness. Thanks for helping us out. See you later.
Bye.
The way I like to relax is to listen to loud music or draw a picture.
To relax, we like to draw. To relax, we like to draw. To relax, we like to draw.
I love spending time with my family in lockdown.
Hi everyone. Some of the things that help me to relax and feel happy are my beautiful little birdie, Akira. She talks to me and gives me lots of kisses. I love my gardening and my plants. I love watching new leaves grow. So I spend a lot of time doing that. And the other thing that I love to do is go for big long walks. I walk about 10 kilometres a day to get some fresh air and sunshine and exercise. So yeah, they're the things that help me to relax and feel good.
Hi everybody, it's Are You OK Day week, with Thursday being the day for it, but we've been looking at it over this week. And one of the things we're looking at for everybody was having a poster, or designing a poster. Hannah, what can you share with us?
So my mum did this yesterday, and it's got like lots of little fine lines and big Are You OK with a nice pretty flower in the middle.
What I like with the flower is that there's a piece of paper and they've actually been glued on. They're all separate, so it's not just one stuck on there. Lots of detail and time would have gone into that, I reckon. And I'm sure there has been for other posters as well. So we've got some winners, and what are our winners going to receive, Hannah?
A Are You OK drink bottle.
So the winners are Kiara from F1M, Mikey in 3R, Shania in 6R, as well as Dante also from 6R, and Ryan B in 5C. We're going to send out the drink bottles to you next week. So congratulations. And for everybody, if you're not feeling okay, make sure you speak to someone, because that's really important. Take care, everybody.
To color. Favorite part of the school is you and the classroom and the playground. Read some books. I'm going to do a principle do some maths. I would sell treats every day. School pool? Oh.
You add a pool?
I'm going to add a slide pool.
Hey guys, so next Thursday you've got your Fleetwood Footy Day. Now, with your Fleetwood Footy Day, you're going to be dressing up in your AFL footy colours. If you go and want to dress up in a different sport, that's totally okay, like basketball or NFL or anything like that. So what you're going to be doing for the day is lots of different arts and crafts, and you're also going to be trying to do your best trick shot that you can for the day. So Noah's going to give it a shot now. He's going to try and kick backwards into the basketball ring. All right, here we go, Noah. You can do it.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Hi boys and girls, Mr. Kotick here.
This is Kotick here.
This is Hunter.
This is Hunter.
We're just running today with Mario Land.
Yeah, like Mario Land.
And we're just going to say well done to everybody on having a lot of fun with specialist subjects. And you're doing really, really well. And keep it up. And I want to say hope everybody has a really great weekend.
Great week.
Alright, well that brings us to the end of this week's online assembly. I hope you've enjoyed it today. In this week's newsletter I spoke to your parents about the fun of board games and puzzles and playing cards, so if you get a little bit bored today or over the weekend, why not try playing a board game with your parents or family. Alright, we miss you all at school. We hope to see you sometime soon, and just remember we've only got 1 week left and then it's holidays time. Time to relax and have a bit of fun. Okay, bye everyone.
See you next week.